Hello everyone, welcome to Airkey plant. This is May. Today I'll introduce our newly built clean room for you. This is our castle modular clean room. The wall panel is sandwich panel and the tempered glass window combination with the aluminum frame. It's an ISO 6 clean room, and this room is divided into two parts. First one is the changing room, and this is the working area. Before enter the clean room, there is a control panel to control the whole clean room. We can control the lighting and FFU speed through this control panel. Let me show you. Firstly, the lights off and on. And this means the fan is working. We can adjust the speed. And when the clean room is working, this is the pressure gauge to show the pressure inside of the clean room. The pressure value will up to 5 to 10 bar. The customer also require a face recognition system. We can operate it through 3 ways. First one is the fingerprint. Second one, you can input the password. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And second, the card access. Now let's go inside the clean room. Okay, now we are in the changing room of the clean room. The customer also purchased some benches and a clean room wardrobe for changing. After changing, we will go into the clean room through the air shower. And this double door is for the exit. Now let's go inside of the clean room. Part of the fresh air will be returned through this wall and combined with the air conditioning in the center to realize the temperature controlling. This hole is reserved for the air conditioner. According to GMP standard, in clean room, the material flow and the personnel flow should be separated. So in clean room, pass box will be used for material transferring. This one is a pass box with air showering function. Here is a rough introduction about this modular clean room. If you have any inquiries about clean room, please contact us. Airkey provides custom design modular clean room as you required. Thank you. Bye.